In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download X.com or Twitter Reels in just a few simple steps. This is a quick tutorial, and before we begin, there's one important thing you need to know. You need a premium subscription to do this. So if you don't already have premium enabled on your account, that is the first thing to set up before trying these steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X.com or the Twitter app and find the reel or video that you want to download. Once you've located the video, look for the video settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear icon, and that is where the download option is hidden. Tap or click that gear icon to open the video settings menu. Inside the menu, you should see the option to download the video. Select download video, and the file should begin saving to your device. That's really all there is to it. Just remember that this feature is only available with a premium subscription, so if you don't see the option, that may be the reason why. After the download is complete, you can find the video in your device's downloads folder or camera roll, depending on what device you're using. So to quickly recap, you need premium, you find the video, open the gear icon, and click download video. Simple, fast, and easy. If this tutorial helped, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.